Hey there and welcome to Become Millionaire Tips channel, and today I'm back with another video of and this time this is a new website that I'm going to talk about, and this is the first time that I'm not talking about a cryptocurrency. So do watch this video to the end, and I want to tell you this website is quite new and it has been around for around 3 months now, and just now I am starting to promote it. So do watch the whole video to know the concept of it. And this website is international. You can work from anywhere and it's totally free. You don't have to pay even 1 cent or 1 rupees for joining this website. Okay, it's entirely free. And before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel. It's totally free also, and turn on the notifications so you know when my new videos are coming. So the website that I'm going to talk about is called Socialaddworld, and as the name determines, it is a advertising website in which you will earn from advertisements that they have for all over the world. They have advertisement for all over the world, and you can join from India or from other countries also. But the CEO of this company is Indian, but it's all paying and it's totally genuine. It has been around for more than 3 months now. So if you are from other countries also, you can join this platform and you can withdraw by Perfect Money or PayPal. Okay, it's all applicable here. So I'm also using PayPal to withdraw in this. So I already told you I just started this platform, so I am going to promote it international. So my teammate who had joined me like 3 to 4 months back, he had asked me to promote it, but I was quite enough busy in other platforms. So my teammate is also from India only. So this is my upline, and he is right now making a lot of money, around $1,000+ in this website. So it has grown a lot right now. It has more than 1 lakh members or 1 million members. I really don't know, but the Facebook page is growing every day, because yesterday only I saw around 1,70,000 likes, and today I'm seeing around 1,80,000 likes. It's all genuine. People are really earning in this website from advertisements and all. So you have to use my referral link that I give you in the description. So if you use my referral link, and if you are the top 100 people who joined by my referral link, then I am giving you an opportunity that if you place your referral link under the comments, then I will take one of the referral link and place it for a whole day under my videos. Okay, for a whole day I will place you under my videos. So if you are in the top 100 people who join me, then you will get free referrals in your line, because this platform is mainly based on referral, and I will tell you how you earn in this from everything that I have learned from this platform. So let's first log in. It's quite easy to register. For India, I will show you how to register. Just go to join us in Indian. You have to give your sponsor ID. That is what I am giving you. You will get it directly. Then your full name, your mobile number, then email, and PAN number also it is required, because it's 18 plus platform. You cannot join if you are less than 18. So if you are 18, then you can join here. Okay, but for other countries you can join even lower. I think it's not required. In other countries you don't need PAN card, and there's no other specific documents required for other countries. So I think if you are less than 18 also, you can join in this platform. ISD code is your code that you have. Like if it's 7, or for US it is 1, just place 1 and then your mobile number, everything. So your code will be coming in email mostly. Okay, so you have to check if it's come on your mobile number also, because I am getting it in India, but I don't know for other countries. So when you have joined in, you just have to log in. You have to give your mobile number and your password, then go to login. In here you will get daily targets and all, and you can see your income here. Okay, and I will tell you how to increase that income by referring other people. So the thing is, in this website you have a daily target of watching ads. You just have to go to my ads, okay, and also you have to keep your ad block off because to see these ads, and it just takes you like it just takes you 1 minute to see all of the ad. It's quite easy. I will show you. You get around 20 ads every day. That's all the work you have to do. Okay, just go to here. It will show scene and just do it for 20 ads. I will fast forward this. Okay, this is how it's done. And when you are done with that, just go to dashboard. You will see an instant credit of $0.15. Okay, this may not look a lot, but if you have a whole team, okay, other team that you can see from here, my team, okay, in here you will get more income from other people also clicking you. So if you have more than 10 people in your team, you will also get the ad click revenue from them also. Whatever they click, you will also get a percentage of it, which I will show you the chart for that. It is given here. I just need to log in to my WhatsApp here. Okay, it's here. There's a lot of members here that you can see that are using this platform. This is the first level team members. Okay, it's a group that is mostly Indians here, you will see right now. But when you join in, I will give you the joining link of this. Okay, so you can join in this group also. And if you don't want to join this group, then I will create another group for you if you are from other countries. So you can see these are the meetings that are done in here. People are seriously earning in this. I will show you one of the screenshot where a guy earned over $1,500 from this platform. As I told you, you can also earn this because I will be giving your referral link under my video, so you will be earning the same amount of income that I'm going to earn. You can see this is the person I was talking. He is also from Rajasthan. He is a third level achiever. He has a team of 40,000 people right now, and you can even talk to him if you want to verify or anything. He has his total income that he earned is around $1,530, which is entirely free. I already told you it's entirely free from clicking ads. This is the graph I was talking about of how you will earn from your members clicking the ads. It's opened here. I just need to buffer it. Okay, it's here. So this is how it works. Okay, if you have a team of 10 people under you, it is the first level you have. Then per member you will be earning around $0.04. Okay, and you can see the earning growing as your team is growing. You can see all the earning that you can make in a day. This is all the earning in a day. Okay, this thing will be increasing really fast because you are like joining under my link, and I will be referring your link also under my video. So don't think that you will also not achieve this kind of income. You can even achieve this kind of income, $5,000 per day from just clicking ads and everything. And this system is gonna be around for a long time. It's entirely for based on advertisement platform. Okay, it requires a bit of work, but you can be earning this kind of income in a day also. It's possible. You just need to refer this platform to everyone, and it's entirely free. I already told you, you can use as many devices as you have. You can ask your friends also to join this. You can ask your family members to also join under your link. So it's entirely free. There's no joining free. I have already told you in this platform. I have joined for free, and you can withdraw from free also. So other things that are like withdrawing, how to withdraw and other stuff, you just need to go to profile and set up your PayPal account here. Okay, just give your PayPal account details. Then when you have the sufficient account, you can go to my account. Okay, go to my account and go to PayPal thing, and here you will be able to withdraw here. When you have the sufficient amount, then you will be able to withdraw from this platform. Okay, the minimum to withdraw in this platform is $50. Okay, it will take a bit of time, but it's entirely possible if you are working with me. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do share this video to other people and do join this platform. And when you have joined this platform, then only share this video, because your link may be the one which will be put under the description after this. Okay, so do come in this join this website and give your referral links below so I can place it under my videos.